Hi there. Today's recipe is a mushroom risotto inspired by actress Jin You won't believe how rich this tastes with such simple ingredients. Dice 1 king oyster mushroom and 1 onion into small cubes. Sauté the mushrooms until slightly translucent, then add olive oil and onions. Add 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon tuna sauce, some black pepper, and 1 slice of cheddar cheese. Let it melt. Stir in 1 tablespoon potato starch and let it thicken while gently mixing. Top with cracked black pepper and a light sprinkle of Parmesan. It's nutty, comforting, and the umami from the mushrooms lingers beautifully. It's light yet creamy, a wholesome bowl that feels as good as it tastes. Thanks for watching. See you next time for another Simple K meal.